Okay, Mazda 3 2011 to 2015 version installed for Cogoo S Series, 2GB RAM with 32GB storage, CG-AD009 S2-IPS 32, 9GB Android S Series player, big screen with Cogoo Night View Plus, reverse camera, okay, 9-inch player with special OEM big screen casing, good fitting, and OEM socket plug and play. So it's good fitting. And Anytek Q1 DVR. So this is front DVR recording and a rear DVR, a rear camera. So it's two-way driving video recorder. So let me show you for the reverse. So it's Cogoo Night View Plus reverse camera. It's got a fixed line, green, yellow and red. Full menu. So Google Maps, YouTube, so you have to download from Play Store. Go car setting, system info. So Android 8.1, 2GB RAM with 32 storage. It's got a 2 USB slot, 2 USB extension put in a drawer. Okay, equalizer, change logo and steering control. So you have to clear apps, clear it one by one, or clear all, close all. Okay, nighttime driving, scroll down, you can turn off the screen. Press any way to turn it on. Okay, go to setting, turn on player Wi-Fi, connect with your phone hotspot for internet. Okay, so this is Cogoo S Series, 9-inch big screen for Mazda 3, CG-AD009 S2-IPS 32, 32GB storage with OEM big screen good fitting casing and OEM socket plug and play. Installed by 1BIS. Thank you.